Hi guys. So we have a pack of Born of the Gods that we're going to open up. So let's crack it open and see what we pull. So first we have Satyr Wayfinder. Faragax Giant? That's an interesting name. Tripping over my words here. Retraction Helix. Great Heart. Weight of the Underworld. Ferris Band Tromper. Deepwater Hypnotist. Crypsis. Reckless Reveler. Grizzly Transformation. And now on to the uncommons. We have Spring Leaf Drum. Kraken of the Straits. Vortex Elemental. And for our rare, we have Perplexing Chimera. And a forest card and a tip card. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that pack. Thanks for watching. Bye.